Hello and welcome to another active timing tutorial. Today we're going to be discussing how to import participant lists through Excel into active timing. So this one is not going to apply to those of you who are using AWE to import your customers and your information directly into active timing. This is only going to be if you want to manually import all that information. So to get started, we're going to come over here and we're going to click on one of our test events that I've already created. And then we're going to come down here on the left-hand side to this toolbar and we're going to select participants. Alright, so there's a lot of options on this screen, but today we're only going to focus on the one that says data. And we're going to come down here where it says import participants. And you'll notice that when it comes up with the new screen that it has an option here to download a template. So if you're not familiar with the setup, or if you haven't already used active timing before, you can click on this and it will give you an option to download a template that you can use to import or to input that data. Now you can do this on your own. You don't have to use the template, but it needs to use the same headers as the template. So I've already downloaded it here, so I'll just pull it up here in a second to show you. But just basically save this somewhere to your desktop, and then we'll pull it up here. Okay. So okay. So here's what the template looks like. Again, you don't have to use the one that you download there. Just make sure that it at least has first name, last name, age, gender, the race event that you're using, and the sport type. You don't have to put the bib in here. That can be something that you create later, but you do need to at least have these headers up here at the top. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and create a few names, put a few names and stuff in here, just so that we can get an idea of how this works. So the race for me, and this is something that, let me show you real quick, just so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about. The race that we're talking about is this right here. Okay, so when we created the event, you can see up here we've got 5K, we've got a 10K, and we've got a 3 mile. The information that you input here, right here, needs to match exactly the race that you put into active timing. So for instance, if I want to put this guy in 3 mile, I cannot put 3 mile here. Okay, the reason being that there is no space here. Okay, so it needs to match 1-to-1. So in order for him to actually be entered and be recognized by the system, I need to make sure that this is 1-to-1. So I need to take out that space. Okay, sport type is going to be running. And then I'm going to leave my bib alone for the time being. Put Jane in there, and we'll make her 21, female. We'll put her in the 5K, and that's also running. Okay, let's go ahead and and add a couple more here. We'll do Mr. Fast. Make him 35. Male. We can put him in the 5K as well. Running. Okay, so we're going to put in Miss Fast. We'll make her 34. Female. We'll put her in the 10K. Make her run a little bit longer. And then we'll do, just for the sake of it, we'll put another person in the 3 mile. So we'll put Fast runner. Make him 50. Male. Oops. Put him in the 3 mile. Okay. So again, didn't put anything here in the bibs. If I did, that's fine. I should be able to go back in there later and actually make those changes, but I'm not going to put anything in there for the time being. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and put, I'll put a bib or two in there just so that you can see exactly how it works, and then I'll leave the rest blank. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to come up here, go ahead and save as, because I'm not going to want to save over my template, so we'll just call it test list. Okay, and that's the right place, so I'm going to hit save. Alright, let's go back into active timing now. Still got my my upload form up, and then we're going to come over to browse this time. And we're going to select test list. This is one we just created. Click open, and then click upload. Oh, okay, so this is something that you'll need to know in case this happens. The reason that this is happening is because I've still got it open inside of Excel, so I need to actually come into Excel and close this. Okay, now that I've closed that, I can go back into Browse, select my file, click Open, and Upload. Okay, so first of all, you'll notice that it's got all the names and everything in here, but then under the bibs, you can see that it actually imported those bib numbers as well. So I can hit Continue, it says that it's been uploaded, I hit Close, and now we see that we have these participants in our list. Okay, so I can switch through my tabs now, and I can see those people. And you'll notice that under the ones that I actually gave a bib number, that it's already assigned that. Okay, and we'll go through another video where I'll show you exactly how you can mass assign bibs. But for this video, I just wanted to basically show you how you can use that function up here in data to actually import the participant list, and it makes it a lot faster. It makes it a lot easier than actually manually adding them in. Okay, so in another video, we will be discussing how to manually add in your customers. So if you need to, if you've got a customer or something like that that shows up on the race day and you need to add them in on the spot, we'll show you how to do that in the other video. All right, so hopefully this has been informative. Thanks for watching.